How to change your DNS on Google Chrome. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it in Google Chrome. So maybe you want to make your connection is faster, or secure. So you want to change your DNS on your Google Chrome. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can open your Google Chrome and then go to your settings. In the top right corner here, you can click the three dots here and then you will find settings here. You can just click on it, and then in the left side menu you can go to your privacy and security, and then you can scroll down and you will find security again. Click on it, and then you can scroll down and you will find use secure DNS. Make sure it's turned on, and then you can change the DNS by click this one, and then you will find a lot of option here. So usually choose Google Chrome public DNS, Google public DNS, or you can also choose maybe Cloudflare, or if you want to add custom DNS, you can just click add custom DNS here. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.